Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Camila and in today's video I'm making cake stand. To make it I will be using 3-tier cake stand silicone mold for resin. I will also need Pearlscent mica powder in gold and crystal white epoxy paste, gold chips crushed glass and Epsom salt. The first thing I do is mix the part A and part B resin together for about 5 minutes. I mix a total of 600 grams of resin and after 5 minutes, when the resin is well mixed, I pour it into smaller cups. To the first cup I add mica powder in golden shade, followed by the white epoxy paste and mix well. All the products that I use in this video will be listed in the description. Now I add a little transparent resin to the very center of each mold, as this is where I will be adding my gold crushed glass. To the resin left in the container, I add white crystal mica powder, but only a bit so that it is still transparent and just a little shimmering. Now I pour gold pigmented resin close to the edge of the mold. Once this is done, I add the clear resin into the center. I still have some gold resin left, so I divided it evenly between the 3 molds. I now pour the white pigmented resin in a circle motion on top of the gold pigmented resin. I have some clear leftover resin, so I add it evenly over the center of each mold. Now I wait and observe as the resin moves from the outside to the center of the mold, creating an amazing resin web effect. I use the torch from time to time to get rid of any air bubbles and to help the resin to move in faster. The resin I'm using only has a working time of 30 minutes, so I need to help the resin move as quick as possible before it thickens. This is what it looks like after 30 minutes, and now I have to wait 24 hours for the resin to dry. This is the next day and the resin is already dry and it's time to unmold. Before I apply clear top coat and add crystal effect, I need to protect the back of the plates from the resin drips, so I apply liquid latex on the edges and need to wait 30 minutes for the latex to dry. To create crystal effect, I will use Epsom salt mixed with white glitter and gold crushed glass. I will also add a little bit of resin, but not too much, as I want to get a solid texture. After application, I sprinkle the top with more gold crushed glass. I applied the top coat, waited 24 hours, and this is the final product. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you want to see more tutorials like this, please let me know in the comments. I also recommend checking out my other videos. The proposition cards will pop up at the end of this video. Thanks again so much for watching and see you next week.